I mixed apple, banana, and eggs, and the result is amazing. Let's go. In the blender, we will add 2 apples cut into cubes, 2 bananas cut into rounds, 3 eggs, ½ cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, and we will beat well until a homogeneous mixture is obtained. Would you like to enjoy and know which country you are watching me from? For me to thank you for watching our recipes. Put the mixture that we just beat in a bowl. Sift 2 cups of wheat flour. And mix well. If you are already enjoying this recipe, leave your like and comment below. I love cake recipes. And to finish, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again. This cake looks wonderful. It's a creamy mass that melts in your mouth. I'm sure you'll love it. Add the mixture to a greased and floured cake pan. Place in a preheated oven for 35 minutes. Thank you for watching this far. I look forward to seeing you in our next recipe. Bye-bye.